Colorful plate, a splash of flavor and nutrition. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, colorful plate. This isn't just about food presentation. It's a concept that carries deeper meaning in nutrition and healthy eating. Let's dive in and understand why a colorful plate is not only appealing to the eye but beneficial for our health. A colorful plate refers to a meal with a variety of foods of different colors. This isn't just about making your meal look attractive. Each color in foods, especially fruits and vegetables, represents a different set of nutrients and vitamins. For instance, green vegetables are rich in vitamins like C and K, while orange and yellow fruits are high in vitamins A and C. By eating a colorful plate, you're ensuring a diverse and balanced intake of nutrients. Eating a colorful plate is crucial for several reasons. 1. Nutritional balance. It ensures you get a range of nutrients from different sources. 2. Health benefits. Different colored foods offer various health benefits, like boosting immunity and preventing diseases. 3. Enjoyable eating experience. Visually appealing meals can enhance your eating experience, making healthy eating more enjoyable. Creating a colorful plate is simple. Include a variety. Aim to include at least 3 different colored foods in each meal. Think rainbow. Try to incorporate colors like red, green, yellow, purple, and orange. Balance. Ensure a good balance of fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins. In different cultures, a colorful plate might also symbolize festivity and celebration. In many traditions, meals during festivals or special occasions are vibrant and varied, reflecting the joy of the event. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of a colorful plate. Remember, eating a variety of colors isn't just pleasing to the eye, but it's a key to a healthy and balanced diet. Happy eating and learning!